Students, today we are going to do scene passage for comprehension and it is from lesson 10, The Golden Touch. As it is clear from the name, scene passage means the passage which we have already seen. We know the chapter, we know its story, so it is easy for us to solve it. Now question is how to solve it. A passage has been given and based on this passage different types of questions have been asked. First we will read the passage carefully. After that we will go through all the questions. Let's start reading the passage. I repeat, please read it carefully. Just as that happened, the king remembered the warning he had received. Gold, wealth and possessions are truly meaningless. Gold was meaningless. He realized the truth. But now it was too late to do anything. As he turned away in terrible pain, he felt a touch on his wrist. And as he turned in his throne, he felt his crown slip from his head. "Oh, father, you must have fallen asleep again," said a gentle voice. It was his beloved daughter. His touch of gold had been only a dream. He jumped up from his throne and hugged his daughter. Yes, King Midas had learnt a lesson. The king gathered most of his great wealth and started to give it back to his subjects and to the poor of the kingdom. He became the wisest and the most generous king in the entire world. Now let's read the questions. What kind King Midas realized when he recalled the warning he had received? Second question is, what slipped from King Midas' head? Third is, complete the given sentences. King Midas jumped up from his throne. Second is, King Midas started to give back his great wealth. Now we have read the questions. We have read complete the sentences. Now what to do? We will again read the passage and this time we will mark the answers side by side. Just as that happened, the king remembered the warning he had received. Gold, wealth and possessions are truly meaningless. Gold was meaningless, he realized the truth. So we will find first answer from these lines. We will mark it. Next, but now it was too late to do anything. Now the second question is related to King Midas' head. As he turned away in terrible pain, he felt a touch on his wrist, and as he turned in his throne, he felt his crown slip. Now from his head. Now we will mark these lines. We will find our second answer here. Next, King Midas jumped up from his throne. We have to find out the similar line from the passage. "Oh, father, you must have fallen asleep again." This is not that line. It was his beloved daughter. His touch of gold had been only a dream. He jumped up. Now King Midas jumped up. He jumped up. So we will mark this line. We will find our next answer from here. Next is King Midas started to give back. Now we have to find out this line. King Midas had learnt a lesson. That very day the king gathered most of his great wealth and started to give. We got a clue here, started to give. So our next answer would be from this line. Now let's frame the answers. First question is, we will divide this question in two parts. What did King Midas realize? King Midas, now question is in past tense. What did? So answer would be in past tense. King Midas realized we'll change this word and we will write down realized. King Midas realized that gold, wealth and possessions are truly meaningless. Now look at the second part. When he recalled the warning he had received. So our first answer is King Midas realized gold, wealth and possessions are truly meaningless when he recalled the warning he had received. Beta, all the answers for scene passage you will find from the passage only. You don't have to learn anything. You just have to comprehend the passage and you will find all the answers. Now second question, what slipped from King Midas' head? Come to this line. He turned in his throne, he felt his crown slip from his head. Now, what slipped from King Midas' head? His crown slipped from his head. We never start answer with the pronoun. So, we will write down his is used for King Midas. So, we will write down King Midas' crown. Here, the word is slip. But in question, the word is used slipped. So, we will write down King Midas' crown slipped from his head. We will change word slip into slipped. Now come to the third, complete the given sentences. King Midas jumped up from his throne. He jumped up from his throne and hugged his daughter. So we will write down these words, and hugged his daughter. Next is King Midas started to give back his great wealth. Now we have marked this line. Come to this line now. Started to give it back to whom? King Midas started to give back his great wealth. To whom he started giving? To his subjects and to the poor of the kingdom. Till full stop you will write down. Because he gave his wealth to his subjects and to the poor of the kingdom. One more thing, beta, for writing answers, you have to stick to the point. Don't write very lengthy answers. Write the answer that much is required. Now, next fourth question, find antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words from the passage. You have to find the word from the passage only. Like the word is forgot. And the opposite for forgot is, it could be recalled, it could be remembered. But in passage, remembered word is given. So we will write down remembered. Now I am not writing remember here. I am writing remembered. Because the question, the word given in question is in second form of the verb. It is past participle. So here we will write down remembered. Next is awake. Awake means jage hona. So what could be the opposite of this word from the passage? It is asleep. Students, yesterday we discussed word meanings. We discussed because it will help you to find the answers. So here we will write down asleep. If you know the meanings, you will write down the answers quickly. Next, fifth is find synonyms. That means similar meaning words from the passage. This word to be underlined, beta, from the passage. Now first is very unpleasant. Now the similar meaning for this could be terrible. It could be irritated. So it could be horrible. It could be terrible. Now we have to find out the word from the passage. Very unpleasant. Terrible is given or horrible is given. Have you noticed the word? I think I got the word. It is terrible. So we will write down terrible here. Next is put one's arms around somebody. I know you know the answer. It's hugged. Now let's talk about thinking question. Beta, these 6 and 7, these are the thinking questions and you have to write down answer in your own words but very wisely. Don't write very lengthy answers. Answers like according to you, what lesson King Midas had learned from the given passage. It could be gold, wealth and possessions are truly meaningless. It could be we should not be greedy. So you will write down answers accordingly. Seventh answer also you will write it down in your own words. Seventh question is, do you think King Midas became the wisest and the most generous king in the entire world? Give reason to support your answer. You can write down any suitable answer for this. Let's discuss one answer. You will write down, yes, because in the question it is, do you think? So you will start answer like this. Yes, I think King Midas became the wisest and the most generous king in the entire world because he started helping poor people. Students, you can write down different answer also, but they have asked one reason, so you will write down one reason only.